Does anyone even notice? Does anyone even care anymore? Is the world so callous that they can't even see, feel, or think? Are Western leaders so power-drunk that they've taken to virtually shooting fish in a barrel for fun and profit? Looks that way to me. US drone terror bombing of Somalia combined with US-instigated invasion by Somalia's neighbors like Kenya and Ethiopia create more death and destruction than the famine. 79 more people have been killed in the US assassination drone attacks in southern Somalia, bringing the death toll to 146 over the past 2 days, Press TV reported. The US military launched terror drone attacks on Bilis Kulkarni town, which is located 440 kilometers southwest of the Somali capital, Mogadishu, on Friday. At least 79 people were killed and several others were injured in the strikes. Press TV. What if this was your daughter? These drone forays are unauthorized, completely uncalled for, totally unprovoked, and wickedly murderous. Innocent civilian Palestinian children playing in their yards are massacred by Israeli joystick cowards in sanitized hidden military bases in Tel Aviv. Pakistani teens are blown up on their way to school by idiot commuting American boneheads playing war games in a sheltered base in Nevada. Unsuspecting Africans are mowed down indiscriminately by futuristic robotic death machines managed by moronic military computer geeks looking for a thrill or a promotion. This is sick, and there isn't nearly enough outrage about it. How can the US make these forays into Pakistan, Somalia, Yemen, and now Turkey, and who knows where else, murdering anonymous, guilty by being in line of sight humans by remote control? Is the world so bullied into accept it or face the consequences, or have the horrific realities of mechanized war become so distanced from the Western psyche that they simply can no longer feel? A drone's view. What will it think of your activities? Worse yet, does this signal a grand silent imprimatur by the predominance of the world's populace that this war on terror has been brought as some kind of Orwellian preemptive combat authorization? Smells that way to me. 911 patriotism has mutated into bloodlust. Sick, sick world. I am ashamed of the lack of public outcry at these sanitized random murders. Maybe it's the fluoride and chemtrails having their desired effect, I don't know. But there's still no excuse. Anyone with an iota of consciousness should be outraged at what's going on. Americans better wake up. This doesn't go unnoticed and unaccounted for in the universal grand scheme of things. What goes around comes around. Big time. Americans will certainly reap what they've allowed and even insanely encouraged their country to sow.